My name is Dr. Amit Kotecha. I'm a specialist oral surgeon and I run a practice in Leicester called Care Dental. Equipment is a very important factor for us in this establishment. We have absolutely got state-of-the-art kit which we maintain to a very high standard. So my working environment is hugely important for me, and having the best of the best is an absolute must. Blueprint are a company that have maintained my equipment for the last 10 years, near enough, and I have a lot of faith in them. I have a lot of belief that they will always look after my best interests. I've never ever once felt ripped off. So for me, when it came to ordering 3 new Sirona chairs and refurbishing my surgeries to an incredibly high standard, there was really only one choice. It was a simple matter of selecting Blueprint. We did get quotes from everybody, as you would, and Blueprint were very upfront and very clear-cut. They were happy to look at the quotes that we'd had from other companies. But to be honest, it wasn't a competition. It was only ever going to go one way as far as I was concerned. Shiraz is somebody that I met when I was on an implant training course in London, and he was facilitating that surgery's equipment and servicing. Communication with Blueprint Dental is really straightforward. Shiraz is always on the end of a phone. You can WhatsApp him, you can text him. He always gets back to me efficiently. If we're having a problem or a glitch or an issue, I just have to bring it to his attention. The level of professionalism, the dedication to client care, can't fault it. Absolutely spot on. We always struggle to find Sirona engineers that can think laterally and are able to solve problems in a more cost-effective way, but not cutting corners. Often engineers from the bigger companies won't think outside the box or try and find a solution that is more straightforward for the client. They will try and maximize the bill, and that's one thing with Blueprint that I've found with all of their engineers. They're very lateral thinking. They will look at the problem from the client's perspective, which in today's day and age, people just don't do that. Everybody's in it to make a quick buck. I've never felt that with Blueprint. Blueprint very genuine about the way they conduct themselves. With regards to digital dentistry, what we found with Blueprint was that their knowledge was very broad and very in-depth. They did not struggle to integrate the technology together. They were able to bring it together very beautifully for us, and everything works as it should, which is a huge relief for us because as a dentist in his 50 plus, technology isn't my favorite thing. I love it when it works and I absolutely hate it when it doesn't. So that's been a big plus with Blueprint for me. Why did we choose Sirona again? Because in the 25 years that I've been using Sirona equipment, I have never had a down day at the surgery. I've never had a problem with my equipment not functioning or behaving as it should. Part of that is going to be due to the amazing standard with which my team maintains the equipment, but also part of it is due to the fact that we have our equipment serviced regularly by Sirona engineers. And as I said, Blueprint have been servicing all my equipment for the last 10 years. We just don't have problems with it. It's German equipment, it does what it says on the tin, it doesn't really tend to go wrong very often. So for us it was a no-brainer. We had quotes for other chair systems. They were never going to get a look in. I'm very much a Sirona man, so for me it was only one choice. So for anybody out there who's looking to re-establish their surgery equipment and is considering companies that they should work with, I'd certainly have a look at Blueprint. I'm not being paid for this video, I'm not on commission. This is the opinion of one man that has had a journey, and it's been a good journey. Blueprint were very much exactly what it said on the tin, and they delivered. We had some difficulties, we had some issues with things going correctly, but they were very quick to remedy these, and the level of professionalism and the journey that we've had has been a very good one. So I would urge anybody that is out there looking for new dental equipment to certainly get quotes from Blueprint. It makes a lot of common sense.